Hey everybody, it's Spencer with Cabinet Wholesalers. Welcome to the fourth Thirsty on Thursday video. Please subscribe to this video and click on the bell to continue receiving the videos in this series. Today we're talking about working on your business, not just in it. Let's be honest, y'all have a truckload or a garage full of tools. You have your favorite brand and know everything about them. When you go to buy them, you've done your research, looked up reviews, and viewed demonstrations. You spent time researching and investing in your tools because you know you need them to get the job done right. So let me ask you a question. How have you researched and invested in your product knowledge lately? Taking a day or two every month or every quarter to boost your knowledge and experience can be a huge benefit to your company. Let's be honest, no one ever sees the tools you invest in while you're working on their job. What clients do immediately see and sense is your product knowledge. You may say, but Spencer, I don't have any time, have to drive everywhere, I have to be on the job site. It's understandable, however, by not boosting your knowledge, you may be neglecting the biggest benefit to your company, and that's you. Please understand me, I'm just suggesting that you allocate good quality time each week or month working on your business. You don't stop working in your business, you just remember to work on your business as well. So how can we assist you to work on your business and achieve success? At Cabinet Wholesalers, we have over 33 training classes every year. These classes give you product knowledge and innovations to keep you up to date in the industry. We have CAD design training opportunities with our suppliers. They get your leg up on the competition, go from basics to extra details that can boost you to award-winning designs. We also can assist you in sales and marketing training. Our manufacturers offer installation training. They'll give you and your crews the knowledge needed to give the homeowner the professional experience they deserve. These manufacturers also have a finished touch-up class. Trains you all those little knickknacks and scratches to touch those up so you don't have to wait for new material to come in and change it out. So in closing, remember, you spend a lot of time and money on tools, but the most important tool you have is your product knowledge. It's time to invest in it. See you next week.